living longer. People, even after retirement, have got a life period of more than 20, 30 years. Though the person stops working or stops earning, he needs income for him to sustain for such a longer time. So today we will be talking about pension. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Murthy. I have been working with financial services for more than 30 years. I welcome you to Invest Expert India, where you will get the necessary advice and information to take an informed decision about your long-term financial goals. In our earlier videos, we have talked about why insurance is to be bought and at what time it is to be bought. Today, we are going to discuss about one particular event, that is living longer. Nowadays, the longevity has been increasing and people, even after retirement, have got a life period of more than 20, 30 years. In this case, though the person stops working or stops earning, he needs a continuous cash flow, income for him to sustain for such a longer time. So there is something which can provide money for this period, for this particular period, which is called pension. Pension basically is a form of money that is paid by either a state, that is government, or a company to a particular individual after retirement. There are two types of pension benefits. One is called defined contribution and the other one is defined benefit. Let us see what is defined contribution. Defined contribution is a type of pension where an individual contributes to the pension fund during his working life, and depending on the accumulated amount during his working life, the pension amount will be decided. So this is called a defined contribution. Whereas defined benefit, irrespective of the amount that he is contributing to the pension fund, he will be getting a defined benefit. For example, when he retires, he has got certain amount of salary. So a 50% of that salary will be paid as pension throughout his life period. So this is called defined benefit. Nowadays, it is becoming very expensive for the exchequer to provide a defined benefit pension. So most of the companies are, including the governments, they are providing a pension based on the defined contribution. When will the pension start? At what age is something which we need to understand. Pension need not necessarily start only after retirement. There are a few plans provided by various companies where you can start pension at the age of 50, 55 also. While working, you can get a regular income if you have invested in such pension plans, and it will continue for a longer time throughout the life of an individual, and also maybe their partners also, their spouse, and maybe for a defined period. There are at least 7 different types of pensions that you will be able to opt for. The first one, if I have to say, is that you will get a particular amount of money throughout your life only. That means as long as you are alive. The second one is as long as you are alive, and also after the demise of this person, their family member like spouse. That is another type of pension. The third one is that there will be a minimum guaranteed period irrespective of the life of that particular individual. For example, 5 years guaranteed and life thereafter, or 10 years guaranteed and life thereafter. So it can be 15 years guaranteed and 20 years guaranteed and life thereafter. Normally, the guarantee is given only up to 20 years, not beyond that. So this is another type of option that you can exercise for your pension. The fourth option is you will get 100% pension as long as you are alive, and after the demise, even the spouse will get 100% of the pension as long as the spouse is alive. The fifth option is you will get 100% of the pension as long as you are alive, and after the demise of the person, the spouse will get 50% of the pension. So these are some of the important variations through which you can get pension. Apart from the options that I have described just now, there are few more variations depending on the age at which you are going to enter the scheme and also the age at which you are going to choose to get pension for your lifetime. So these variations will give you different kind of financial impact on the pension amount that you are going to get over a period of time. In order to choose the best possible option, it will always be good to consult a professional expert who knows the financial impact and can guide you in a proper manner to choose a particular option which is suitable for you. We are providing professional advice and consultation to enable you to take a informed decision about which kind of pension plan suits you and what kind of option that you need to exercise. You can also book a free consultation call with me by clicking the link given in the description. For the people who are looking to invest in products which provide pension, there is another advantage in India. It is tax benefits. Any pension is taxable in India. However, if you are planning properly and choosing a plan which can give you a regular income, maybe till the age of 99 years or so, you will be able to save a lot of pension at the time of investment as well as at the time of getting the pension in the form of a regular monthly or quarterly or half yearly incomes. So it will be a good idea to invest and get tax benefits while you are earning, and also the tax benefits when you are going to enjoy the benefits of your investments. So it will always be prudent to take care of this particular risk of living longer due to the factors that I have been talking about in this video. And it will always be good if you can start investing for your pension as early as possible, because you will be able to enjoy the benefits of compounding. Compounding benefit I have already talked in my previous video. If you have longer time for accumulating the amount, the corpus that you are going to have is going to be higher. So on that higher amount, you will be getting a better pension throughout the term that you wanted to get. So it will always be better to start a pension plan at an early age. If you are 40, 45 and if you have not started investing for a pension plan, it's a bit late, but of course it's better to be late than never. But I would advise the young people to start a pension plan below 30 years of their age so that they can start getting a good amount of money after 60 years for the rest of their life. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And you want to see more videos on different investment opportunities, please subscribe to Invest Expert India. For more information on our services, you can visit our website akshayrevenues.com, where you can book a free consultation call with me. We wish you educate yourself, invest and prosper. See you in the next video.